Hi guys, Jacob Coyle here with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of our Sea Ray 510 Fly. First thing I'm going to point out is right here, we've got a submersible swim platform. Okay, also very easy to get your tender on and off, or if you just want to play in the water and stuff, this submerses really well. It's a great feature to have. I'm also going to point out as we're walking up, you've got controls back here. Okay, so maneuvering the boat, getting in and out of docks, not a problem at all. You got the controls right here that can squeeze you in anywhere. Again, this is the Fly, right? So you got your fly bridge up there. This particular one's got the hard top with a moon roof, as you call it, right up there. As you come inside the boat, okay, beautiful salon area, okay, great for entertaining. Say you're at the marina and it's raining, perfect spot. Come in, watch TV, plenty of room for plenty of people in here. As you take a step up, you'll notice the galley's up on this boat, right? So you got the captain here piloting, galley up, everyone's involved in the entertainment space. Stuff doesn't have to be split up. This is a 3-stateroom, 2-head boat. So we're gonna walk downstairs, we'll take a look real quick at what we have. Your VIP stateroom is gonna be in the bow of the boat. Again, plenty of space. Look at your headroom as you walk in, tons of space. As you move to the aft of the boat, we have another stateroom here with single berths, or you can throw them together, make one berth. You're gonna have a head in here, and then back in here, you've got your master stateroom. Full beam master stateroom. Plenty of space, plenty of storage space, great sized bed. What more could you ask for? Again, this is Jacob Coyle with MarineMax Clearwater. Give me a call if you'd like a private showing, 216-410-8559. See you on the water.